Good morning friends. Today we will going to write and learn all alphabet in uppercase and lowercase. We will going to write all alphabet in uppercase and lowercase. We start with alphabet A. Alphabet A. This will be capital alphabet, and in small in lower case we will write as small a. A for apple. APPLE. A for apple, and in lower case we will write APPLE. Apple. B. Then we will write B, then small b. B for boy. B for boy, and in lower case we will write B for boy. Then again capital C in uppercase, and this will be in lower case. C means cat. CAT, cat, and small CAT. This will be in lower case. Then we will write D, capital D in uppercase and small d in lower case. D will be dog. DOG, dog, and in lower case we will write DOG, dog. And in फिर again capital alphabet E, and in lower case we will write small e. E for elephant. ELEPHA and T, elephant, and in lower case ELEPHA and T, elephant. Then again capital F, and then in lower case we will write F. F for fox. It is in upper case, and in lower case we will write FOX, fox. Then again it will in upper case we will write G, and in lower case this will be G. G for goat. GOAT, goat, and then GOAT, goat. Then again alphabet in capital uppercase H, and then in small h. H for hut. HUT, hut, and then HUT, hut. I for capital I, and this will be small I. I will be ice cream. ICECREAM, ice cream, and it will be in lower case we will write ICECREAM. Then again J for in upper case, and then it will be J in lower case. J for jack. JACK, jack, and in lower case JACK, jack. Then again K, it will be in capital K in upper case, and in lower case we will write K as K. And this will be K, kite. KITE, kite, and this will be KITE, kite. Then in again lower case it will be L in upper case, and small l will be in lower case, and we will write L for lion. LION, lion, and this will be LION, lion. And again then we will write as M, and in small m in lower case. M for mango. MANGO, mango. MANGO, mango. Then in upper case we will write N, and this will be small n, and this will be N for nose. NOSE, nose, and it will be NOSE, nose. Then again alphabet O, it will be in upper case and it will be in lower case. MNO, O for orange. ORANGE, orange, and in lower case we will write ORANGE. It will be orange. Now again it will be P, capital P, and in lower case we will write small p. P for pigeon, 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 and in lower case PIGEON, pigeon. Then again we will write in uppercase Q, it's for queen, and in lower case it will be small q, and we will write QUEEN, queen, and it will be QUEEN, queen. Then again it will be R, and in small case we will write small r, and R for rat, 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 and in lower case we will write RAT, rat. Then in upper case we will write S, then small s it will be S. S for we will write S for snake, capital SNAKE, snake, and in lower case we will write SNAKE, snake. Then again we will write for T in upper case, and in lower case we will write T, and it will be T for tiger, 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 and in lower case we will write TIGER. It will be tiger. And again it's capital U, we will write U, and it will be U, small u. And U for umbrella, 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 and in lower case we will write UMBRELLA, umbrella. Then again we will write it for V, V for capital V, and it will be small v, V for it will be Vox, 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 and it will be small VOX, Vox. And again we will write in uppercase W, and in a small case we will write W, and W for whale, WELL, whale, and WELL, whale. And again for X, capital X, and it will be capital X, and we will write X for xylophone, XYLO, xylo, PHONE, xylophone, and in lower case we will write XYLO PHONE, and in after X we will write capital Y, and it will be small y, Y for yak, 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 and in lower case YAK. And last one we will write as capital Z, Z for zebra, Z, and in lower case this will be Z, and Z for zebra, 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 and ZEBRA, zebra. So here it will be all your upper and lower case alphabet A to Z. I hope this will like you all video. Okay, so be प्रिपेयर लाइक दिस ओनली, इसी तरह आप लोग इसे लिख के प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, हाउ वी विल राइट अपर केस एंड लोअर केस अल्फ़ाबेट फ्रॉम A to Z. थैंक यू.